using URLs. You have learnt in previous class that every web page has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator or URL. URLs are the key to navigating the web. When you provide a URL to the browser, it finds that URL's web page and then transfers the web page to your PC. The content of the web page then appears in the web browser window. To open a web page, follow these steps. Step 1. Type the URL in the browser's address bar. Step 2. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. Suppose you want to visit the website of Touchpad. To do this, you can type www.thetouchpad.com in the address bar and then press Enter key. The home page of the website appears in the browser window.